Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As you guys saw, I gave you guys previews of what these lenses look like on my eyes, and now if you guys would like to know my thoughts and opinions on the lenses and my first impressions, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I currently have the Polar Lights Blue in at the moment, and I have to say these lenses are actually quite pretty. Now, I didn't really hear about this brand until probably like a few months ago after I posted a few Solotica lens reviews and people were saying like you should try out TTDEYE. I was very lucky that they approached me on one of my social accounts, Glam Boys, which is basically a makeup appreciation page for men. So if you guys would like to check that out, definitely check it out. There's a link down in the description box down below. So they approached me on there and they asked me if I would like to review them. Now, because these were sent to me, I'm not going to be like, oh, they're amazing. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. If you guys are new to my contact lens reviews, I tend to go in depth in terms of the color, the pupil size, how it looks like in different lighting. That way you guys have a better understanding whether or not these lenses are going to be the best for you. So this is a makeup channel, so I will show you guys what this looks like with some makeup on later, but I thought it would be really good to show you guys what it looks like without any makeup first, because sometimes I feel like makeup distracts you and kind of enhances or changes the appearance of the lenses. Now, what do I think overall of the colors? So again, I have tried out Polar Lights Blue and Polar Lights Blue Grey. Now in terms of the blue shade, it definitely has like this nice deep blue shade, as you guys can see from this photo. I will say the pupil size for these lenses, both of them are quite large. Larger than DESIO. Now DESIO lenses have had a revamp in terms of their pupil size, and it's a lot smaller. This is a lot bigger. This honestly reminds me of like Fresh Look's pupil size, where it's quite large, but it's not super large where it's only like a ring of color on the sides. It's still pretty good. In terms of blending it into your natural eye color, again referring to the photo, it's not a clear-cut circle, which I do appreciate, but I feel like they could have blended it out a little bit more just to make it more natural. The edges are a bit jaggedy, which is, you know, something you would expect from like naturally light eyes anyway, but yeah, this is just me being very nitpicky. But pretty much the same thing with the grey ones as well. And then in terms of comfort, I mean, obviously I've just opened the boxes and just popped them on, so I can't really tell you guys how they feel throughout the day, but first impressions wise, they're quite comfortable. I wear coloured contact lenses and clear contact lenses pretty much on the daily because I'm nearsighted, so I have to wear something, and I feel like my eyes are used to contact lenses. These just feel like normal lenses to me. Now for lenses that you can wear for up to 12 months, these are quite thin. Usually when I wear annual lenses, they're quite thick. So Solotica Natural Colors, Hidrocor, they all tend to be quite thick. This one is quite thin. It's almost like your monthly wear lenses, which I'm quite surprised that it says it's for 12 months. So we'll see how long this will last. I'll give you guys like updates on the screen and stuff like that after 12 months. We'll see. Now let's talk about movement. With the grey ones, when I first popped them on, I did feel like they were moving around and I could kind of see the colour peeking through here and there. Every now and then I'd move my eyes. With this particular blue shade, I don't feel like they are. I feel like they've just, you know, position themselves perfectly, but I will say this, I feel like my pupils are looking one's that way, one's that way, and that's the thing with like really large pupil sizes. It will be very apparent that your eyes aren't even. Usually when you have smaller pupil sizes, I find that it's not as noticeable unless you really look to the eyes. Obviously when I've got a ring light and everything on me like now, you can't really tell, but again, referring to the natural daylight photos, I think those are very good representations of the colors. Again, both issues appearing in both the blue and the grey. Okay, now the question is, how natural do these lenses look? Honestly, these are definitely more of coloured contact lenses, like the typical coloured contact lenses that you would see. I don't know, we'll see how this looks with makeup on. It might change my opinion, but without any makeup on, you can definitely tell that these are just like coloured contact lenses. Now before you guys start attacking me down in the comment box down below saying that I'm Asian and I should not expect lenses to look natural on me, what I'm talking about is how it looks on the eye itself. I'm not talking about how it looks on me, I'm talking about how it looks on the actual eye. If you guys watch some of my Solotica reviews, which I'll link on the screen and down in the description box down below, there are a couple of shades that I do feel are more on the natural side, and if you look at them on my eyes themselves, just my eyes, again, just on my eyes, they look pretty natural. These are definitely not one of those. That being said, do I think these lenses are bad? No, I think they're really good, and also for the price point they're pretty inexpensive. I don't know if it's just a sale at the moment, but they're currently selling these lenses $24.50 each. I believe that's in USD. And sorry, I keep referring to Solotica a lot in this video. It's because a lot of people have said that these are really good dupes for Solotica, so I'm really grilling it. As you guys can tell from the title, it's what this video is all about. But if you guys go through the website's photos, you guys have like an actual person wearing the lenses, and then you've got like some of these photos. Now, it's really hard to tell with these photos because with this particular one, this person looks like she's got naturally, or he, I don't know, this person has naturally light eyes. You can tell already from the photo. And then the photo at the end, you can tell the person has darker eyes. So again, it just tends to look different on different eye colors. So try and do some more research before you purchase these lenses if you guys are looking for the perfect shade of blue, perfect shade of blue gray. And that's what this video is for, to give you guys my opinion so you guys can formulate whether or not you guys would like to purchase these lenses. So again, this was sent to me in PR, but I'm assuming everything is pretty much sent the same way. So I got this box. It also has instructions on the back on how to take care of your lenses, how to put them in, which is really handy, especially if you guys are new or first time wearers to contacts. It's just really handy to have that. What else did they send? They sent basically contact lens containers. They also have like that almost like tweezer looking thing and that stick that you use to put your lenses in. I learned how to put contact lenses old school, so I use my fingers, but you know, there's an option there for you. Other things they sent in here, it looks like a tattoo, some glitter, like just some cute little accessories as well, so I really appreciate that. Overall, do I recommend these lenses? Yes, I do recommend them if you guys are looking for inexpensive colored contact lenses that will last you for a year. Again, I wouldn't say they're the most natural ones, and to answer the question, are these a good dupe for Solotica? No. Sorry, they're just not. They feel like they're their own class, but these are still good on their own. If you guys are interested, I do have a discount code. I'll leave it on the screen and down in the description box down below. Again, all information about these lenses will be down in the description box down below. If you guys would like to watch my other contact lens review videos, I have ones for Solotica, I've got ones for DESIO, they're all down in the description box down below. And also, I think I've got O-Lens as well, so I've reviewed the Russian blue and grey, I think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already, so you guys don't miss any of my new videos. Don't forget to like the video and also share this video with your friends and family. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!